topic is rules of divisibility for fives. Now, rules of divisibility of 5 says that for a number to be divisible by 5, units digit must be 0 or 5. So, the basic rule is we have to check the digit that is in the units place. If it is 0 or 5, either of these two, then the number is divisible by 5. See, the question given is find which of the following numbers are divisible by 5. Check the number in units place. 5080, the units place the digit is 0. Since the digit in units place is 0, it will be divisible by yes. We can prove it. See, the number given is 5080. So let's physically divide it and check it. 5080 divided by 5. 0, 5 into 0 is 0. Then 8, 5 into 1 is 5. 3 as a remainder, then 0. 5 into 6 is 30. See, it leaves no remainder. Therefore, we can conclude that yes, it is divisible by 5. Hence proved. Similarly, we will move to other question. See, 66666. So, 66,666 is the number given. Check the number in the units place. It is 6. It is not no 0 nor even 5. So, that is why it will not be divisible by 5. Check the answer. See, once we divide it, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. If we divide it by 5, divide these number by 5, what we get is 1 and then 16. Again, 5 threes are 15. Again, 1. Again, the 6 moves down. Again, with 3, it is 15. Again, 1. Again, 6. 5 threes are 15. So you see, it will leave 1 as a remainder if we continue doing this. It leaves 1 as the remainder. Since it leaves 1 as the remainder, hence proof that the answer is no. And that is absolutely correct. Now, if we are asked to find the smallest number or the greatest number and there is a blank in a given question, like for an example, the number given is 5, 8, 1, then dash. So what will be there in this place? So that the number formed is divisible by 5. See, for the smallest digit, out of 0 and 5, the smallest number is 0. So, over here in this blank space, there will be 0. If you are asked to find the smallest number. In case you are asked to find the greatest number, my answer will be 5, 8, 1 and in the dash, it will be 5. So, this is how we are going to solve these sums. Now, see the question given. In each of the following numbers, replace the star mark by the smallest number to make resulting number divisible by 5. We are asked to find the smallest number. So out of 0 and 5, the smallest number is 0. So in the star area, we are going to put 0. It will be replaced by 0. Similarly, so the number that we get is 6420. We have another question where 4660 is given. 466 over here, there will be again the same way 0. It will be replaced with 0. Why? Because there are two options, 0 or 5. So if 5 is there, then it will become the greatest number, 4665. So we have to make the smallest number, so we will put 0. In case we are asked to find the greatest number, we will be putting 5. Now we will move to the rules of divisibility of 10. It is very similar to that of 5. So see, It is very simple. The simplest rule, that is, for the number to be divisible by 10, you have to check for 0 in its units place. So see the question given, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 10. Check the number. The number that is given over here has 0 in its units place. So yes, it is divisible by 10. There has to be ways to prove it. So let's divide it and check. 99990. If we divide it by 10, we see we get 10 into 9, 90. Again 9. This 9 goes down. 10 into 9, 90. And 9. And again the 0 comes down. So 10 into 9, we get 90. It leaves no remainder. Therefore, we can say that, hence prove that it is divisible by 10. Similarly, if we see the next number that is given is 847. In 847, the number in the digits place, the unit is 7 and is not 0, so the answer will be no. Similarly, if we move to the other question, 8976, in the units place there is 6, not 0, so again the answer will be no.